the inside of our newest rehab project. We just closed on this house yesterday. It's been built in 1957, so it's in a pretty bad shape for sure. That is one thing that I can say that for sure. It is in terrible shape. It's probably never been updated, and you will see that in a second. Here is the bathroom. Look at that, one of the bathrooms right at the door. Washer and dryer to the right side, and a shower, yes, and one of the bathrooms. I don't know if it works. I'm literally scared to touch anything at this point. It's just in such an old and bad condition. So here's the famous kitchen that you might have seen the amazing appliances of. Here is the microwave. I personally have never seen this, and this toaster too. Ah, look here, toaster oven, crazy. Oh. And here's a roofer. And my sister, they were just discussing what to do, you know. Hello. And yeah, they're already planning what to do with the roof. I'm gonna go this way. This is like a living area. Okay, nice space here, but honestly, the layout is not the best of this house, so we have to figure out what we're doing about the layout. Currently, this house is a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, but we definitely want to turn it into a 3-bedroom because people are looking for 3 bedrooms. 2-bedroom is not enough, and we have a lot of space, so why not? And look at this bathroom here. This is the other bathroom, and we do have electricity here, but honestly, I am scared to touch anything. And this is so terrible, this bathroom, that I really don't want to touch anything. All right, other bedroom and living room. So once again, this is our newest house flip project, and we are going to turn it most likely into an Airbnb, starting with, once it's been updated, hold it for a little bit, and then sell it with the Airbnb. And this is something also we teach our students to do. Yes, we are taking students to teach our process too. So if that's something you're interested in learning about, how you can do house flipping, what to do, and what are the downfalls to avoid, what are our experiences, what has worked for us. We had some really great success with our house flippings. We have a course on this now, so if that is something you're interested in learning, definitely reach out to me. We are currently taking on a couple of students that we are going to help with house flipping projects and making money with real estate. All right, so make sure to follow my page. I will do updates about this house regularly of what we are doing. As I mentioned right now, the roofer was here, so we are starting right there, and then in my next video, probably I will give you an update on what are our plans of making, you know, in terms of renovation. So stay tuned. Make sure to follow me and ask me any questions you have.